Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to share a new n8n workflow. It's a workflow that uses an AI agent which allows us to create posts either in video format or in image format, and it's able to automatically publish them on Instagram and TikTok. So what's the idea? It's simply that we're going to generate videos created with artificial intelligence from a simple message sent via Telegram. And the system will create videos for us of this quality. Of course, we're going to use the node called Blotato. It's a technology that allows us to create faceless videos, meaning without showing a face. So quite simply, we're going to send a message. Now, this technology has allowed us to create several products. Pages, so the pages, we can easily get millions of views because it's an automated system that simply generates everything. In fact, it creates the image and the video for us, and today many channels, whether on TikTok or even Instagram, are now being created this way. These posts are made with artificial intelligence, and we can generate a huge amount of interactions and likes thanks to these images. So the workflow, I'm going to give it to you, of course, for free, and you'll simply be able to download it. It will show you exactly the prompts I used and the codes I used inside. In this training, I'm going to show you how to use Blotato, how to, of course, use the predefined templates on Blotato, and of course, I'll actually give you a complete free documentation where you'll find all the prompts I used to do this, so you can run this workflow properly. Stay until the end, because at the end, I will also give you access to my most comprehensive n8n trainings available today in French, so you'll simply be able to download them. So the first thing to do is, I'm simply going to download the workflow. I'm actually going to give it to you so that you can simply upload it to your system. And to get this workflow, you simply need to go to this website, n8n.docteur-vip. In any case, I'll also put the link in the description for you. You'll enter your email address, click here, and you'll automatically receive an email. With the workflow ready to use, you simply download the latest workflow from the list that I will send you. It's called Blotato AI. So now, to be able to import this workflow from the files you've downloaded, just click here on the import button at the top. It's very important to have this interface, the n8n interface. So if you already have an n8n server, that's great, you'll just upload the file. If you don't have an n8n file or server yet, now is the time to install it. I'll show you in 2 minutes how to set up an n8n server. So either we go here to the official website, n8n, and we click here on pricing and actually choose the server that interests us. So you should know that today, when you choose a server directly from the official website, you are limited. In fact, you're limited by the number of workflows you can run. For example, if you pay $20 per month, you're limited to 5 simultaneous executions, and that's really, really little for those who want to test workflows, or even for companies that want to automate certain tasks in their system. So either you switch to a plan that's $50 per month, where you can have 20 simultaneous executions, or the second alternative is simply to go with Hostinger. Here you need to make sure you're on this page that offers the n8n server. Be careful, this is not the same standard server where you would host a website. By the way, I'll put the link here in the description that will take you directly to this page. And here, what you'll see is that the system will actually offer you the same thing, several packages. So the one I recommend is this one called the KVM2 because it has 2 processors and 8 GB of RAM. And above all, you can use n8n execution without any limits. So here you can run all the workflows and of course use them without any issues. So for me, I select 2 years and then I can get it. Actually, there you go, it's only €6.99 per month. And that's really, really interesting, especially since here you're guaranteed satisfaction or your money back. 30 days, so for those who want to start out or try it. In fact, you have 30 days to run tests and actually take advantage of this kind of server, especially on the Hostinger website. So they've offered a coupon for beginners, for people who want to create their first server and the like. So now you're going to click here, then you need to enter the code n8n. I hope it's still valid, so we'll test it together. We click on apply, and there you go, it's still valid. So it gives us a 10% discount, and as a result, we can get this server for about €6.29 per month, which is much cheaper than the official n8n website, and especially since it's unlimited. The trick before clicking on continue is that you're going to scroll down here to the bottom. A piece of advice I can give you: choose this server here, n8n, because there's the classic server, which gives you n8n completely empty, just like the official installation. And here you can get n8n with 100 pre-installed workflows for free, ready to use. So these are the 100 most used workflows by companies. So since it's free, well, take advantage of it. So there you go, just confirm that. There you go. Once you click on continue, you'll simply create your account with GainModPass and get direct access to your n8n server. And now we're simply going to import our file. And now we're integrating our server. We're going to click on create a new workflow. And now quite simply, we're going to import the file we downloaded by email. Import from file here. And here you just needed to click on that file. Be careful, if the file is compressed, you just need to decompress it. And then you click on open, and there you go. Now I actually have my access. So I've actually put the documentation here for you. When you click on this link, it will actually take you directly to the documentation. You'll find all the information and everything you need, so we're going to use them. Now let's check the size a bit to actually understand our mechanism and get an idea about the execution. So what is it here? The system. In fact, it's going to be triggered with Telegram. So Telegram, when I click here, it will activate this agent, and if I open it here, you'll see that I've put a whole print statement that details a lot of information, showing the executions and the steps to follow. It will explain to the system that it will receive information containing a URL, and from that URL, it will extract the information from that URL and call these different nodes, which are Blotato nodes. These are nodes that will perform specific tasks. First, we explain what it consists of here. Here, these two nodes will simply create a source, meaning they will understand the information and the URL that was sent by Telegram. This is very important. So it's these two nodes here and these three nodes here, right here. We will actually create the different models or templates that Teleton offers. So here we can create carousels, and here we can create videos with voiceover. And of course, here we will retrieve them. So this agent here will know when to call this part. This is the first part to understand, of course. And this is the part for creating the graphic. And at the end, we have this part to post on social media. What's very interesting with Blotato, and now we're going to take a look at the Blotato interface. Blotato is actually an extension that allows you to create designs and also to publish them. So here you can actually come here and create an account. I'll also leave you the link to Blotato directly in the description. I already have one, so I'll go straight to my interface. In this interface, the first thing to do with Blotato is to come here and actually connect my accounts to all these networks, because you can publish on TikTok and Instagram. That's what I did here. I selected TikTok and Instagram, but you can, this is what's great about Blotato, that I can use Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, tweets, Pinterest, YouTube as well, so I can publish on all these networks. And Blotato also gives me the ability to create this API. So thanks to this API code, when I click here on copy, it actually allows me to create what's called the credential, which means the connection. So now I'll show you. There you go. This is the code that I put here. This is the connection between Block and the AI's n8n. Because today, if I click here to search for the word Taito, you will see that it's an official extension that you simply click on to install, and it allows you to do that. There you go, you can access all the actions on Block. And so the first thing to do is create the account so it can be retrieved, your API and the system. So here I'm explaining by next we'll run the system together. Actually, when I launch Blotato, you'll see that here there's video, and if I click here on new videos, you'll see that Blotato, it gives me several models actually. So here I just took in fact 2 models. I chose this model which creates an image with text and a voiceover, and I chose this model which does the creation for me. actually different ones, so text and information, as you can see here. So to run it, we'll simply send a URL to your Telegram bot to be able to generate, in fact, content from this information. Well then, to run this workflow, we'll click here to execute it. And so now it's actually waiting for me to send it some information on Telegram. So now I'll simply open my Telegram, and here I'll actually give it, in fact, the URL is here. And for example, I chose to send it the URL of a video. So now I'm going to go, here's a channel I really like and follow often, Julian's channel. And now I'm going to pick one of his videos. For example, I'll take this video here and then I'll simply copy this URL. This URL will help me send a request to my system. So in this case, the request is simple. I'm going to give it the URL and ask it to create a carousel for Instagram and publish it on Instagram. So now I'm going to give the command, so I just executed it. Thank you. So the information has just been sent. So here it's picking it up, and you'll see the system is trying to understand with that. With ChatGPT, it's going to take the transcript and now it's searching. In fact, whether the transcript has been retrieved or not, that means the summary actually and all the information that exists in this system. So now it will always keep checking the status. There you go. Once it picks it up, it proceeds. It actually chooses that I'm requesting carousels, and now it's waiting for the visual to be created. So it will keep checking each time between ChatGPT. Here it's currently checking whether the visual will be created or not. So generally it takes, let's say, between 10 and 20 seconds, so there's no problem. We let it run, and I'll actually show you how I did the trick so that, well, here it is. It picked up the post and sent me a message on Instagram to let me know that it had been published. That's good. So let's actually check the work. Let's go through the whole process together. Now, what's really interesting here, you'll see that here I set the number of iterations to 100. That means I'm telling the system, listen, if you're going to check, so about 100 times, and if, for example, the creation hasn't been done, you just give up, because we're not going to let it check endlessly, right? So here, it's really, really important to add this intro, this parameter here. Now I'm going to go to Blotato, so let's go to Blotato. There I see that it created for me actually the content. So here, there are several, the content has just been created, and I can even go here on Blotato in the API section, view the API, there you go. So right now it's actually inserting it on Arma's Instagram. By the way, we can go to my Instagram page and, well, refresh the page a bit to see. In fact, yes, it has indeed been added. It has just been added as information. So now if I click here, I will find it. So here is the carousel with the information using the template I selected. Remember, this is a template. So if I come back here, it's actually one of the templates I selected. So we've just executed the system. And all by itself, the agent understood the video I sent and did all the work. All of this was handled 100% through Telegram. So if I click on publish here, the system will be operational. Every time I have a video and I want to make a post about that video, I just send my message and the system will execute it. So now we're going to do another test. Same thing here. I'm going to run this workflow. But this time in Telegram, I'm going to try sending the same video, but this time we'll ask it to actually create an AI image video and publish it, so on TikTok. So now here we go, I'm sending this information. Now the system is running the same process. So it's going to try to retrieve the transcription. So right now it's going back and forth with OpenAI because I set up OpenAI's LLM to actually interpret the status. So there you go, it got it, it understood that I actually want to create the image template. So of course, when it comes to the image, it takes a bit more time, so it goes back and forth to check the status. If I open title, we can already find it here, there you go. So it's actually working on this template, that's this line here. And if I even go into the videos, I should find it, there it is, the noisy one, it's there. So this is basically the creation process. Right now it's generating, so it has to finish generating until it reaches 10 out of 10. And the system here, if I go back, it's still searching. So we'll just leave it for a few moments while it finishes checking. Regarding the status, every time there is an update, it will check the status, whether it has finished or not. Of course, the title block is still running. There you go, to generate this video here. And there you have it. the video has just been created, so now I have my video. By the way, if I go into the app, I can see that it has been completed, so we can see it on TikTok. So what we're going to do is go to the TikTok test page and actually refresh this page. So here we're going to try to watch it together.
The Grok Gauntlet is a 30-day protocol to integrate Grok into your workflow. Follow the daily tasks to build the habit and measure the cost over time. Compare the outputs side by side. Claude delivers clearer results with fewer errors. Grok shows potential but needs refinement for accountability. AI Profit Boarding offers coaching, training, and support to help teams use AI in business. Join a cohort to get hands-on help and feedback.
So in terms of our workflow, we can also automate posting to other platforms like we mentioned, Facebook, Instagram. And as we said, it's not just TikTok, so all these platforms. The condition, of course, is to make the necessary connections. And let's not forget that the system here actually offers several templates that I can create, nodes that generate or create specific templates for us according to our needs. So always here. If you take a look, for example, if I take this node here, the node in fact, which allowed us to create this video here, the templates, I select them here. So you just need to choose a specific template, and the system, of course, it will follow the template you created and actually generate the model and the visuals according to that template. There you go. So there you have it. We've just finished, in fact, creating this workflow, which is now available for download. And I'll show you the gift right away.